It is the scientific study of the distribution and abundance of life and the interactions between organisms and their environment. Ecology. Ecology is often used more loosely in such terms in common parlance as a synonym for the word natural environment. It is a biological environment consisting of all the organisms living in a particular area as well as all the non-living physical components of the environment. Ecosystem. The major regional groupings of plants and animals discernible at a global scale composed not only of the climax vegetation, but also of associated successional communities, subclimax communities, fauna, and soil. Biomes. It refers to the non-living elements and physical components of the environment. Abiotic. The government agency tasked to protect the environment and natural resources of the country. ENR, Department of Environment and Natural Resources. The process that involves predicting and evaluating the likely impacts of a project. Environmental impact assessment. A certificate issued to which the proponent conforms with by signing the sworn undertaking of full responsibility over implementation of specified measures which are necessary to comply with existing environmental regulations. Environmental Compliance Certificate. The law that governs the protection of the environment, particularly covering the pollution control of the atmosphere in the country. The Philippine Clean Air Act of 1999. The certificate issued by the IM certifying that, based on the submitted project description, the project is not covered by the EIS system and is not required to secure an Environmental Compliance Certificate or ECC Certificate of Non-Coverage. It refers to projects belonging to project types declared through Proclamation Number 2146 and Proclamation Number 803 which may pose significant negative environmental impact at certain thresholds of operation regardless of location. Environmentally critical project. A general area declared through Proclamation 2146 as environmentally sensitive such that significant environmental impacts are expected if certain types thresholds of proposed projects are located, developed, or implemented in it. Environmentally critical area. An ECC shall contain specific measures and conditions that the project proponent has to undertake before and during the operation of a project and in some cases during the project. Abandonment stage. The most problematic sources of pollution are air, water, solid waste. It means any matter found in the atmosphere other than oxygen, nitrogen, water vapor, carbon dioxide, and the inert gases in their natural or normal concentrations that is detrimental to health. Air pollute, the general amount of pollution present in a broad area and refers to the atmosphere's average ambient air quality. The certificate issued by the DENR to a vehicle manufacturer certifying that a new vehicle meets the requirements under the law. Certificate of conformity. Gases that can potentially or can reasonably be expected to induce global warming, which include carbon dioxide, oxides of nitrogen, chlorofluorocarbons, and the like. Greenhouse gases. In case of medical wastes, it means that portion of medical waste that could transmit an infectious disease. Infectious waste. The geographic-based instrument for planners and decision-makers which present an evaluation of the environment quality and carrying capacity of an area. Eco-profile.